All right, let's talk about a true cornerstone of Armenian medicine, the Academician S. Avdelbekyan National Institute of Health. Now, that's a mouthful, I know, but it's a name that carries a huge legacy, and it just might be the most important next step in your entire medical career.
Okay, so you've done it. You've got that medical degree in hand. And now you're at this huge crossroads, right? You're facing what's probably one of the biggest decisions of your professional life. So what is next? Where do you go from here to really become the specialist you've always wanted to be? Well, let's get into it.
See, the National Institute of Health, it's not just another place to continue your studies. We're talking about a foundational pillar of Armenia's entire healthcare system. This is the place where the country's future medical leaders are forged. And, just as importantly, it's where the bar is set for patient care across the nation.
And it's so important to get this straight. This is not just a university. It's a national institution, one that's actively shaping policy, pushing forward critical research, and basically defining what the future of healthcare in Armenia is going to look like.
So what does that actually mean, this broader mission? Well, a good way to think about it is that the institute is the engine driving the nation's health.
Any great institution is really defined by its people. And here, you're not just learning from professors in a classroom. You're being mentored by the actual recognized leaders of Armenian medicine. So let's meet a few of the department heads who could be guiding you on your own journey.
Let's take ophthalmology, for example. You'd be learning from Professor Arpesha Zilfian. He's a doctor of medical sciences. That's the highest academic degree you can get in this field. Just imagine learning the fine art of eye surgery from one of the absolute top authorities.
Or how about the supercritical field of cardiology? There, you'd be guided by Dr. Tigran Ostvats-Shretnian, another top expert who also holds that prestigious Doctor of Medical Sciences title.
And hey, if you're fascinated by the incredible complexities of the brain, then you'd be working with Dr. Samson Khachaturian. He's the one heading up the Department of Neurology and Neurosurgery. Then, in obstetrics and gynecology, you'll have the chance to train with Dr. Vahe Terminassian. And look, these are just a handful of examples, but they really give you a sense of the caliber of mentorship that defines the whole experience here. Okay, so the path is there, the mentors are ready and waiting. The question is, how do you take that first step? Let's break down the actual application process. Your journey really does begin right here with these next few steps.
And honestly, it's a really straightforward 3-step path. Step 1, get all your documents ready. Step 2, submit that complete application package. And step 3, you begin your clinical residency. Yep, it's pretty much that simple.
So what do you need to prepare? Okay, you're going to need copies of your bachelor's and master's diplomas, along with their supplements. Then a copy of your passport, one photo, your CV, and for male applicants, a copy of that military ID. That's it. That's the full checklist to get the ball rolling.
And I really want to emphasize this. This is so much more than just applying for a residency program. This is your chance to join a real legacy. It's an opportunity to train at the very place that sets the standard for healthcare in the entire country and to become a leader for the next generation of medicine. So it all comes down to this. The final question is for you. After all those years of studying, after all the incredible hard work that has brought you right here to this exact moment, the question is, Patrast ek kerte brishkutian apagan?